Hello everyone, welcome to Walk the Talk, where we explore new ideas, opinions, and stories from different students across the campus. And today we have someone who has provided us a topic which affects every Indian in their everyday lives. Harshit.
Good afternoon, Devanshi, and good afternoon, everyone. My name is Harshit Mittal from MBA Logistics and Supply Chain, and today my topic is: should English be one of official languages of India or not?
So Harshit, let's start with the basics. Why do you think that English should remain as the official language of India?
I think the biggest reason why English should be official language of India is unity. India has 22 official languages and hundreds of dialects, and people from Tamil Nadu, Assam, Punjab, Kerala meet. They have one common language to speak, that is English. There are no differences, no difficulty in understanding their dialects. The communication is smooth and fair. Also, I think English promotes the migration towards other states as well. A person from Punjab can do a job in Tamil Nadu, and a person from Kerala can do the job in Mumbai. So basically, it helps towards the more employment, and basically it provide a fair and smooth platform so that everyone can communicate fairly and smoothly.
Well, that makes sense. So, do you think English help students and young professionals?
Yes, I think English will help us for the education as well as you can look at the textbooks of 10, 12 CBSE boards and the JEE NEET entrance exams as well. All are in English. And if student from a village and student from a metro city can gain access to the same global knowledge because of English. So I think English is one of the biggest mediums one can gain education, seek knowledge, as well as gain experience from the multinational companies or the companies from abroad.
That's interesting. So, what about the jobs? Do you think English is important for careers as well?
Yes, because for maximum jobs today, basic criteria is English. There should be one should have a great fluency in English, and also I think because the rise of MNCs, IT companies, BPOs, now young students have to learn English so they can communicate people from abroad and the foreign clients as well. And also I think look at the startups culture. The people from startup can pitch their startup ideas, business ideas to the global investors as well.
So, let's talk about the big picture then. How do you think English impacts Indian economy and its future growth?
English affect Indian economy by as today India do trade with more than 200 countries, and most of the import as well as export documents are in English. And also I would like to tell you that obviously the main startups, the AI, the coding culture, machine learning, all their base is English. So when we have to do something due to technology age, English is the base. Look at the frontline workers, the delivery partners, their instructions, they read instructions in English. In hospital, staff greet their guest in English. So English is one of the most important languages everyone should learn so that they can impact their job opportunities as well as career opportunities. As they it will help them for promotion in IT companies as well as if they are in jobs, etc.
So, if you had to summarize all of this in a powerful line, how would you like to do that?
If I have to describe this in one line, I would say English is India's bridge to each other and India's window to the world.
That's a very strong perspective, Harshit. I like the way you connected unity, jobs, education, economy, and technology so clearly.
Thank you, Devanshi. I'm glad that I can help you and share my story with others.
Well, that's it for today's guys. We will back soon with another idea and another conversation.